What's up, Fruit Nation? It's Dory.
Nemo's not in there though.
No.
Yeah, he is. Look, there he is. There's 3 Nemos.
Oh my god, yeah, there is. Hang on. Wait, let's see. Wait, there's Dory. Wait, we gotta get a better Dory than that. No.
That's not Dory.
That's not Dory. There's Dory right there.
Yeah. There's some Nemos down there too.
Oh yeah, there's a Nemo.
Nemo's going for Dory. That's a huge ass fish up there.
Okay, well, you are a terrible, terrible person.
I know.
We're in the lovely Roanoke. What is that building right there? Sponsored by Foundation, Kauai. No, that road right there. Is that empty?
What we walked out of?
No, we walked out of there. So this is the lovely, lovely Roanoke. This is not Toronto, so you know it's very tiny in comparison. So out of all the times I've been to Roanoke, I've never actually like been up to all the top of the skyscrapers and like the buildings, stuff like that. And I've never been to the Star, never been to the aquarium or the pinball museum. So this is all new to me. What is this?
Nothing?
It's like a little window. Care about this game. I just really want to. Damn you! Yes, I got him. They're jealous of my Pokemon skills. I'm over here collecting Pokemon, and they're just walking with their phones, and they're look at the way they're looking at me. They're judging me with their eyes. I've seen like 50 people, if not more, playing Pokemon Go since we've been out here. So they can't judge me and like my vast amount of Squirrels that I've caught. Okay, so how much you want to bet? Like $50 or one right now. Right now. $50.
Looking at the characters.
Are you guys playing Pokemon Go?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See? Ah! There's squirrels everywhere, guys. Everywhere.
Forward here.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I said looking at the character of those people.
Brandon's super excited about the 2 celebrities we met, Nemo and Dory. We didn't see little, what's that little turtle's name? Little Dude or Little Man or Wee Man or something like that?
I don't know.
Oh, now I can't think of it. Spike?
Oh. Is it Spike?
What about the surfer turtle?
The surfer turtle, yeah, the dad. I think his name was Dude or something.
No, that's what he said all the time.
Dude.
Go!
I like how she's using long words and it's like, what is that? And I'm like,
I'm trying to do the same rhythm.
Yeah, well, I don't know what you're talking about if you...
No, what is it? How does it go?
You know what the baby come here boy?
Yeah.
Baby. Come here boy.
I'm so sad. You didn't recognize that?
No, I thought that's what you were talking about, but she didn't never say you needed anything.
I know, I was changing the words.
Oh my god. You changed the words and you're like, yeah, so do you remember what I'm talking about? And I'm like, well, if you change the words, how am I supposed to remember? I'm supposed to finish some sandwiches. No, I don't. Yes. What's that mean? Dude, it's a freaking Pikachu with a head. That's just a fire. Oh, what? Hang on. I can't leave without him. There we go. Oh my god. Are you serious? Hold this camera, I'm getting in the zone. No.
Apparently the Safari Pikachu was just too much for him.
It was too much for me to catch. I tried. I used like 20 great balls on him and like 20 regular Pokeballs on him. I couldn't catch him. The elusive Safari Pikachu. Skidamarinky dinky dink, skimadarinky doo.
Skidamarinky dinky dink.
We got some Firehouse subs, and now we're gonna drive to the Roanoke Star thing, right? Up on the mountain.
Metal and light bulbs.
Metal and light bulbs.
Yeah.
It's like the Virginia's Hollywood sign, right? There's only one in Virginia, right? The Star. Yeah. So it's Virginia's equivalent of the Hollywood sign.
Makes me wanna take the back road.
I got a pickle, I got a pickle, I got a pickle, hey, 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 hey.
Put it in your mouth.
What was the name of that place again? That we drove by? The cheese one? Moist Bill or something?
No, Bobby's hot or is it hot and cheesy?
Is it Bobby's Hot and Cheesy?
Bob is hot and cheesy.
Bob. Such a good pickle. He stepped on it. Seriously? You gotta be the dumbest squirrel I've ever seen. Oh, he sees it. What? I'm not the only one who likes baked potato chips. Lay's. Now that's the good stuff. I named this squirrel Henry. Hey, Henry.
Come back, Henry.
right here for the taking.
Look at his nuts.
We had a great day, didn't we, Brandon?
Yes.
A great day.
Yes.
Got some cool pictures taken. Hand fed a squirrel. We're gonna miss you, Henry.
King Henry.
King Henry, leader of the squirrels. The Hank the Tank. The nut breaker. We got one more stop to make. The very top. If I can make it there.
We good?
I want to see something.
So let's go to the
Wow, how much is
Did you have a fun day, kids? That's fantastic. I'm gonna kill your parents. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know where you live.